So in part 1, we built a second brain that stores knowledge, but storage alone is useless. The real power is this. Can your knowledge answer question when you need it? Today, I'll show you how to make AI think using your own notes, so your second brain actually works for you. Let's have a quick recap of what we have done so far. You have a knowledge vault in Notion. You are capturing content using AI. You're saving summaries and insights. Right now, it's a library. Today, we turn it into a thinking system. Let's go. Most people think if I save enough, I'll be smarter. That's wrong. Intelligence is equals to retrieval plus context. If you can't ask your notes questions, combine ideas, spot patterns, then you don't have a second brain. You have a digital junk drawer. AI solves this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open my knowledge vault. Let's see how it looks like. So this is the knowledge vault. Let's select few notes, and you don't have to select everything. AI works best with the context, and then we'll ask ChatGPT what we need to do about it. All right. So what we can do, we can select the summaries, copy it, and we can go ahead in ChatGPT. This is my second brain chat, which I have been using. So let's paste it right here. This is the summary of one of the data from the brain. What we'll do, we'll copy few more and we'll move on. Now we'll give it a prompt. I have the prompt ready. If you want the prompt, you can visit the link in description and get the exact prompt. And this is the prompt. You are my second brain. I will give you notes from my personal knowledge base. Your job is to understand them deeply, identify patterns, and help me think better, not summarize. All right, we have 5 notes. Let's ask the question. Now it's responding. What we just did, we didn't ask for summarize, we asked AI to adopt our thinking. This is the main foundation here. So it clearly says what is my core pattern. AI doesn't create advantage by being powerful, it creates advantage by being well placed. My notes were mostly about YouTube and AI tools. We asked him not to summarize. So here is the pattern that it figured out. I had some information about SEO, some AIs, some tools for Instagram and other things about AI. So it clearly said finding the pattern that SEO still works when aligned with intent and structure. AI saves time, etc., etc. You can read it if you want. You are converging on a philosophy of strategic minimalism and leverage stacking. That's great. I didn't expect him to say something like this. All right. So if you want, you can do the same thing. It have given me some core patterns. It has given me hidden connections you may not have explicitly noticed, and everything. I'll have to read it, but here we have all the data that we want. I asked him to understand them deeply, identify patterns, and help me think better, not summarize. So there you go. We have everything what we needed. Now it's up to you how you want to use it. It's like you are not just storing data, you are utilizing that data properly. Most people ask AI, summarize this, summarize that, or explain this. That's basic. You will ask thinking question. Question type 1, pattern detection. What ideas repeat across these notes? What themes keep showing up? This is something humans miss, but AI catches instantly. Question number 2, contradictions and blind spots. Where do my notes disagree with each other? What assumptions might be wrong? This is thinking at higher level. Question number 3, action and leverage. Based on everything here, what are the 3 actions I should take next week? Result, we have it in front of us. Less decision fatigue, clear next steps, and confidence. Let's go to the very important part, which is the real use case of this information. How you can use this information in your day-to-day life, or for the betterment of yourself or your content, whatever you are doing. Use case number 1, YouTube content. Based on my notes, generate 5 YouTube video ideas with strong hooks and clear outcome. This is the prompt that you can send him and it can generate everything what you want. These ideas are aligned with your thinking, not generic, and build on your experience. Use case number 2, newsletter writing. We can ask ChatGPT, turn these insights into one strong newsletter angle with clear takeaway. Now your content is knowledge bagged, not vibes. Use case number 3, we can also ask, I'm stuck on this decision, which can be anything. X, type your decision. Based on my past notes, which you have already pasted here, what would be the most consistent choice? This is insanely powerful. Your past thinking now guides your present decision. Let's move on to the next step, which is creating a thinking prompt. So this is a secret weapon. Create one permanent prompt you reuse. The prompt goes something like this. Act as my second brain. When I give you my notes, connect ideas, highlight patterns, suggest one improvement or experiment. Save this, use it weekly. This is how your brain compounds over time. Now let's talk about what are the mistakes that you want to avoid. First is dumping too many notes. Second, asking shallow questions. Third, using AI like Google. Fourth, never acting on outputs. Remember, thinking without action is entertainment. Alright, right now you can capture knowledge, you can retrieve insight, you can think with AI, but you're still doing this everything manually. In part 3, I'll automate the entire system. That means your content will go to AI and it will automatically go to Notion. We'll utilize daily and weekly workflows and mistakes that kill the second brain. That's when this becomes effortless. If this helped, subscribe. I built practical AI system. Also, if you haven't grabbed your free AI starter kit, you can do it by joining the email list, which is in the description. Go ahead and I share prompts, templates and automation there. It's for free. Please like the video. It will help the channel a lot. And my name is Akash. This is the 10x Solo. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.